Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve glass skin. And I've been wanting to create this look for some time now. I just really love the glow that it gives to the skin. So I'm starting out with skincare with the Biossance Squalene Oil. I love this oil. It's so great for dry and sensitive skin, which is what I deal with. It instantly hydrates and locks the moisture into your skin to give you that healthy, glowy, dewy look. And it also really helps to reduce irritation and redness. Next, I'm going in with the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. This is like my holy grail moisturizer that I've always used and has just always been working for me. And I just apply this with a tapping motion. And the reason why I'm putting on the oil first and then the moisturizer is because the oil has a lighter consistency and it just absorbs better into my skin by doing it that way. To protect my skin, I'm using the Shiseido Wet Force for Sensitive Skin Sun Protection Lotion. It has broad spectrum with SPF 50+, and it's actually a mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. So it does leave a little bit of a white cast, but once you blend it in, you can't really tell anymore. Next, I am just concealing my under eye circles and just some problem areas with the Maybelline Concealer. And then to blend everything into my skin, I'm just going in with this kind of sponge pad. And it really does a great job of just blending everything into my skin. To set that lightly, because we don't want a matte look, I'm just going in with the Rimmel translucent powder with a light powder brush. To warm up my skin, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Skin Stick in Mocha, and I'm just warming it up on the back of my hand and then applying it onto my brush. And I'm just applying it in places where I normally would contour, however, I'm kind of just blending it into my skin so that there isn't any harsh lines, because for the glass skin look, we want everything to kind of glide together and not so much be harsh. And then to give a little bit of a flushed cheek look, I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick in the color Werk, and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks, and then what's ever left I'm applying on my eyelids, a little bit on my nose, and then using that as a lip color as well. To highlight, I'm using the RMS Beauty Highlighter Quad and taking the fourth shade in the palette, which is just kind of a light pink shimmery shade, and it has a creamy consistency, so it just really goes well with this glass skin look. Now I'm just finishing off the look with my eyebrows using the NYX Control Freak brow gel, and then filling in my brows with the Maybelline Brow Precise pencil. And I was only able to film one side of my brows since it's just hard for me to do that on camera. After curling my lashes, I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Mascara. I love this mascara. It just volumizes my lashes and really makes them defined. So I'm just applying it on my top and bottom lashes. That is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just love how dewy and glassy my skin looks. All it really took was a good skincare base and a little bit of makeup to enhance your natural features. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.